Story: The Late Reply. Mark was known for one habit. He always replied late. When messages arrived, he read them and closed his phone. He believed there was always time later. At work, emails waited in his inbox. Friends sent messages and received silence. Mark did not mean to ignore anyone. He was just used to waiting. One afternoon, a new message appeared. It was from his manager. The message was short but important.
Mark saw it while drinking his coffee. He thought, I will answer after this. Then a call came. Then another task. The day moved fast. Hours passed quietly. When Mark opened his phone again, the sky was already dark. He typed his reply carefully and pressed send. Minutes later, a new message arrived. The project had moved on. Someone else had answered first. The chance was gone. Mark sat still. He felt a tight feeling in his chest. He understood something he had never noticed before. Silence can also be an answer, and sometimes it is the wrong one. From that day on, Mark changed one small habit. When something mattered, he replied, not later, now.